Hey everyone, this is going to be a tutorial on how to very quickly make Anki flashcards using AI. I remember back in pharmacy school when I had to make my flashcards. For example, I had to learn the top 200 drugs. I would have to painstakingly make a single flashcard for each term. And now you can just do it all. I could probably do it in maybe 5 minutes. So I want to show you guys how to do this because I think it's going to help people save a lot of time. So things you're going to need, obviously, you're going to need to have Anki. You're going to need to have some kind of screen clip ability. With Windows, it's called a snipping tool. And with Windows, you do this using Windows key plus Shift plus S. You could Google how to do it on a Mac, but I assume the process would be similar. So I could take this, press Control Enter, and it saves the screenshot. That. So yeah, that's one thing you need. You need to have some kind of AI app or website to use. I use Gemini personally, but I'm sure GPT could do the same thing. An electronic copy of your textbook or online learning material, like a PDF, would be good. Um, you can either use Google Sheets or you can use Excel. I use Google Sheets just because Gemini can export directly into a Google Sheet, which I'll show you guys. And you'll need to use this website, ankidex.com, which is another AI-based website that helps you create Anki decks and flashcards. All right, so let's get into it. This is a workflow overview, just so you have an idea of what's going to happen in the next few minutes here. So we take a screen clip, we're going to paste that into our AI like Gemini, and then take another screen clip and paste it, and repeat that process until you're either full of the screen clips, or you have all the information you need that you want translated into the flashcards. The AI will create a table into Excel or Sheets, and then you're going to take that file and put it into Anki Decks AI, which creates your Anki deck, and then you take that deck and you import it into Anki. All right, so let's go into an example here. So this is a textbook that I own. So we're gonna screen clip this. Then we're gonna paste it into Gemini. We'll just do a few. So a page like this is good. This is like 31 terms right here. This would have been 31 different flashcards. Okay, and then, so we'll just start with that. And then we have to use a pretty specific, we want to try to be as specific as possible. Using the terms attached, create a 2-column table. The first column has the English term, and the second column has the Japanese in hiragana, katakana, plus romaji in parentheses. Parentheses. All right, let's see. All right, so you want these to be all together. So I wasn't specific enough. So I could continue here. I could use quick mode, by the way. Do that again, but put it all into a single table and remove all headers and categories. So each row is a English and Japanese term in the columns. All right. All right, that's much better. All right, there we go. All right, so So we're going to take these. I'm just going to export to sheets. You could click copy this and then go into an Excel file, which works just fine too. Um, Actually, let's do it that way. All right, so I opened up a new Excel document here. I'm going to paste all of the terms from my AI. I'm going to do a little, make it look a little nicer, just so it's easier for me to look at. So delete whatever columns you don't want, going into a card. Let's say I don't like this card, so I'm just going to delete it. So now it's not going to show up as a Anki flashcard. I'm going to save this file. Okay, then you're going to go to this website, Anki-dex.com. Okay, so it's going to look like this. I'm going to drag and drop the Excel file here. Click on Create Flashcards. What you want to title it? Japanese terms. Front side, back side, mode, words. I think that's all of it. Some other settings here that I don't really use. Well, actually, just private. I mean, you could have tags for it to, make categories for you, so that's fine. We can just keep that there. All right, so we're going to generate this. It does take a couple minutes, so we'll come back in a second. All right, so the website is finished generating the cards. This is like a preview of it. I don't really look at this. I just want my Anki file, so I'm going to export this to a .apkg file. Save this. And next, we're going to open up Anki. Here, import file. And then click import. Okay, so it looks like it's done. So I'm going to close that. And then here it is. Browse. So the different decks, like these are the new terms that I just made, right? You can preview it. So this is what the front looks like. This is the answer. Okay. And then from here, I can merge it into this is my current deck. So you can take these. So to select all of them, you just select the top here, go to the bottom, shift, and click here. And go to here, cards change deck. Oh, yeah, so this pop up here, and then put them into this deck. I'm not going to do it because I already have these in my current deck, but this is how you would do it. Once you move the cards, this deck will empty out. It'll be nothing in here, and then you can just delete it. I forget where that is, but it's somewhere in there. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. And then I have these are my flashcards. These are all AI generated. You know, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just leave a leave a comment, and I'll try to get to it when I can. All right, this was helpful for you.